It's really disappointing. It's just disappointing timing wise. I don't know why if it's the numbers are the same, why this news didn't happen on Monday or Tuesday just to give us a heads up.
Alberta is open for business, but it depends on which city you live in. Here on 17th Avenue, retailers like West Elm can open their doors to customers Thursday. However, restaurants and pubs are going to have to wait a little bit longer. With Calgary and Brooks dealing with a disproportionate number of cases of COVID-19, these cities will have a slower, phased-in relaunch in comparison to the rest of the province.
Starting tomorrow, Calgary and Brooks will join the rest of the province, allowing the following to operate under public health guidelines. Retail businesses like clothing, furniture, and bookstores, all vendors at farmers markets, museums and art galleries, as well as daycares and out-of-school care with limits on occupancy. Starting May 25th, hairstyling and barber shops will be able to reopen, along with cafes, restaurants, pubs, and bars at 50% capacity. And then finally, on June the 1st, the remainder of the Stage 1 reopenings may occur in Calgary and Brooks, including day camps, including summer school with limits on occupancy, post-secondary institutions for in-person or combined online course delivery, and places of worship, including funerals, again, under the guidelines.
Brown's Social House owner Chad McCormick says the timing was the worst, as he and many other restaurateurs were expecting to be open Thursday and throughout what looks to be a beautiful weekend.
Yeah, we would have definitely had a lineup for sure.
Instead of income, there will be losses.
I had 10 staff cleaning the front house as the announcement came on. We were prepping in the back. We've got perishables that aren't going to last 12 days.
However, Kenny and Dr. Hinshaw say it is better to be safe than sorry, and that this step and further steps are all driven by data.
If at any point we need to take a step back to protect the lives of Albertans in any region, we will make that recommendation. We do not want to go back. This is why we need Albertans to continue to do their part. It will take all our efforts to continue to keep our infection rate low and prevent a surge in cases that would require us to consider restricting movement and businesses again.
This regional approach to lifting restrictions may frustrate Calgary's mayor. He's expected to comment Thursday. However, this was his tone Tuesday afternoon.
The level of restrictions that are appropriate for Calgary should be the level of restrictions for the whole province.
Hinshaw also asking residents of Calgary and Brooks to be patient and wait a bit longer to access services like haircuts in their community rather than traveling to somewhere like Edmonton, where it will be available Thursday. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.